In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile on tasks.openstreetmap.org. This process is straightforward but important for customizing your account and ensuring your details are up to date. To begin, you need to head over to tasks.openstreetmap.org. Once there, you'll want to look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Login option. Clicking on it prompts you to enter your OpenStreetMap account details. Use your existing OpenStreetMap credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to access your profile settings. To do this, locate your username, which should also be in the top right corner of the page. Hover over it or simply click it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, select the option labeled My Profile. It's your personal space on the platform where you can manage all your profile details. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to make some changes. Look for an Edit Profile button or link. This might be a bit of a hunt depending on the website's layout, but it's usually conspicuous. Clicking on this will open up several fields that you can customize. These fields allow you to tailor your profile according to your preferences and information you're comfortable sharing. In the Edit Profile section, you'll see several options. If you wish, you can add some personal flavor by filling in your name or a short bio. This is optional, but it can be a great way to introduce yourself and let others in the community know a bit about you. There's also a section for your home location name. You might enter names like Philippines, Singapore, or Remote Mapper, depending on what best describes where or how you work. If you want to specify a home base in terms of coordinates, you can add them under latitude and longitude. It's crucial that you use the decimal format for this. When entering the latitude, make sure the number is between 90 and plus 90, and for longitude, it should be between 180 and plus 180. For example, if you want to set Manila as your home base, your latitude would be 14.95 and the longitude 120.9842. Once you've finished entering all your desired information, it's essential not to forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button at the bottom or top of the page, depending on the design. Clicking Save ensures that your updated profile information is shown on your dashboard and appears whenever you contribute to projects within the platform. And with that, you've successfully updated your OpenStreetMap profile. Congratulations!